Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an awesome day today. Hey, today's gonna be a really quick video. It's an update on the off and WD-40 headlight cleaner. You guys, it's been about right around a week and a half, 2 weeks or so, and you can see, can you guys tell the difference from those headlights from the video? I can't tell if you can tell the difference. Let me know if you can tell the difference. Then I'm gonna show you guys something. Okay guys, if you didn't catch the video, my last video on the WD-40 versus off, what I did is I did one headlight with off and the other with WD-40. Just clean it off with the rag. They shined up really nice. And I told you guys I'd give you an update whenever about 2 weeks passed and it's been around there. If you guys could tell, which one do you think I did the off? If you didn't see the video, which one do you think I did the WD-40? Can you guys tell? This one right here. This side was WD-40 and that one was off. And I'm not sure if you could tell from the video or not, but the off one is still shiny. It's still clear. It hasn't any gloss over it like it did before. The WD-40, it didn't last. It didn't last at all. So guys, I'm telling you, 2 weeks with off and it's still going strong. I'll do a zoom up for you guys to show you guys, and I'm gonna get off here. If you guys can tell the difference. Now this one was off. I got both these with off. This one over here was the WD-40, and you can tell it's already glazed back over or glossed back over, whatever you want to call it, both of them. And this one, for the most part, is still nice and clean and shiny. That's awesome. I think someone left a comment on there saying something about the DEET would melt the headlight. I don't know anything about that, guys. If it melts headlights, I hate to see if it's melting her skin or what, I don't know. But yeah, the off has definitely kept its cleanness, its shininess, its clearness. And the WD-40 has already glossed back over how it was. So guys, my recommendation, if you want a quick fix, it's lasted 2 weeks, the off is the way to go. Don't waste your time with the WD-40. Off is lasting. And we'll give it another week and I'll come back and show you guys. I'll let you know just how long this lasted. I don't know. Hey guys, if you guys got any opinions about anything, leave them down below. It's never stopped you guys before. You guys are always busting on me. It's pretty funny. But leave me some comments down below. What do you guys think? Did you guys think the off would last longer than the WD-40? I didn't know. All right guys, hope you like this quick update. Smash that like button for me if you would. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and click the little bell for notifications. I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.